Hi guys, it's another nice sunny day here in Paris, September the 1st, 2020. Today I'm going to take you to the Marais quartier. To do that we're going to take the line 1 of the metro, another fully automated line. Here you can see the Parisian tram. They are nice to ride, but usually very overcrowded. It's a bit crowded here. Didn't expect that at 1 p.m. Metro 1.
Présent à bord de votre train. Nous vous invitons à veiller à vos effets personnels.
スリに狙われないためにお持ちのバッグ、携帯電話などの貴重品の管理には十分。
Bastille station on line 1, such a beautiful station. Really beautiful station. This is the Opera Bastille, another opera in Paris, and La Place de la Bastille, and its monument. Opera for you, not as impressive as the Opera Garnier and Monsieur, of course. Bastille from the other side, of course, many restaurants. The Opera. So here's the station. Just being down there. I wanted to go over there, but no. So let me just show you the Arsenal Court and the Bassin d'Arsenal. That's what it's called here. Over there's the station on the bridge. Arsenal Port, 3 to 4, maybe 500 meters is the Seine River, and the Bassin d'Arsenal goes in the Seine River over there. There's a promenade, and as you can see there's a park also. Many boats and the bridge. We're going to take that bridge to cross to the other side. just over there, this is like a little tunnel, and the Seine River is just behind it. Bridge. The bridge with the metro station and a little park. Bassin d'Arsenal. A little bit from the other side as well. Really nice place to take a walk, breathe a bit. In the very center of Paris. Just a quick fun fact. You can see the boats over there, two boats over there, they are touristic boats, and they are going on the canal. And actually the canal itself, it goes underground. Just over there, we can see it from here. It goes underground for a few kilometers, and then it resurfaces back up just after the Republic place. And it's called Canal St.Martin. I'm gonna go there soon. And after that, it goes in the Canal d'Orc, who goes miles and miles, actually hundreds of miles further in France. You can take the boat to see it, or even a bike if the weather is going to be good. I'm going to do a bike tour of Canal St.Martin and Canal d'Orc very soon. I came back to the other side of the canal. You can see the metro station. This time I'm going to go down and try to show you where the canal goes underground. Jardin d'Arsenal. It was opened in 1983. Belarus. Здравствуйте, братья, Belarus. It's a difficult time for Belarus these days, trying to get rid of Lukashenko after 30 years, 35, 25 must be, 25, yeah, it's been a long time. It's time to go, time for some new people. Bassin d'Arsenal. Croisière Panorama. So the cruise ship to go to the canals I mentioned earlier. Cruise is a bit strong word maybe, word. But yeah. And here you can see where the canal goes underground. Just behind the station, and as I said, it goes up after the Republic Square as the Canal St.Martin. So, of course we can't go there by foot, but one of these days I'm going to take this cruise ship and I'm going to show you all the 3 canals above and underground.